How to use Imentiv AI for smarter hiring decisions. With Imentiv AI, you can add emotional insight to your hiring process in just a few steps. Here's how. Sign into the Imentiv Platform. The UI makes it easy to get started. Upload media files via YouTube URL or directly from your device. After processing, the video will be available on your dashboard. With emotion graph, track valence, are they positive or hesitant? And arousal, are they calm or overly tense? Use emotional insights to spot alignment, engagement, or even subtle red flags. In hiring, with Imentiv's audio emotion analysis, you can go deeper than words. Use the emotion graph to see how their emotional state shifts throughout the interview, or focus on key moments that matter most. And with speaker diarization, you'll know exactly which candidate felt what and when, making your decisions more informed, fair, and emotionally aware. With our Insights feature, you can now ask questions directly related to your video and get quick, context-aware answers at your fingertips. Smarter hiring starts with a deeper understanding. Try Imentiv Emotion AI and bring emotional intelligence into your HR tech stack.